Unveiling the meaning, to cast a dull light. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a picturesque phrase that often pops up in literature and everyday conversation: to cast a dull light. Stay with us as we unravel the layers of this expression, making it easy for English language learners to understand and use it confidently. To cast a dull light is a phrase that combines vivid imagery with metaphorical meaning. At its core, to cast means to send light or shadow in a particular direction. The word dull describes something that lacks brightness or is subdued. So, when we say something casts a dull light, we're picturing a scene where the light is not bright or vibrant, it's muted or dim. This expression can be used both literally and figuratively. Literally, you might use it to describe a physical scene. For example, the old lamp cast a dull light in the room, barely illuminating the corners. Figuratively, it can also convey a mood or atmosphere. For instance, the news of his departure cast a dull light over the celebrations, suggesting that the news dampened the festive mood. Understanding the context is key to using this phrase effectively. It's perfect for setting a scene or describing a mood in both spoken and written English. To see the versatility of to cast a dull light, let's look at some examples. In literature, the overcast sky cast a dull light across the landscape, turning the once vibrant meadows into a scene of somber beauty. Everyday use. The candles on the table cast a dull light, creating a cozy and intimate atmosphere for the dinner. These examples show how the phrase can paint a picture or evoke emotions, making your language more descriptive and engaging. Understanding phrases like to cast a dull light not only enriches your vocabulary but also your ability to express complex ideas and emotions in English. We hope this exploration has illuminated the phrase for you in a way that brightens your language skills. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, every word you learn casts a brighter light on your journey in mastering English. See you in our next video.